Jai Hind to all of you. Welcome to MVMPS online classes. Now students, today just I will discuss about the GK top 10 question and test series. Students, listen to be sincerely and give the right answer. Now question number first. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from which country? I repeat it. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from which country? Give the right answer. Right answer is UK. Capital of UK, London. And what is the currency of UK? And who is the Prime Minister of UK? Give the right answer in comment box. Now question number second. Sirajuddaula was defeated by Lord Clive in which battle? I repeat it. Sirajuddaula was defeated by Lord Clive in which battle? Give the right answer. Battle of Plassey, 23rd June 1757. Now question number third. How much of Earth's surface is covered by the forests? I repeat it. How much of Earth's surface is covered by the forests? Approx 30% is the right answer. Now question number 4. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? I repeat it. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? Give the right answer. Justice Hiralal J. Kania is the right answer. Now related to question number 4. Who is the present Chief Justice of India and its number? Give the right answer in comment box. Now question number 5th. Which country is the largest producer of bauxite? I repeat it. Which country is the largest producer of bauxite? Give the right answer. Right answer is Australia. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. And who is the Prime Minister of Australia and currency of Australia? Give the right answer in comment box. Now question number 6. Which India state has the largest population of scheduled castes? I repeat it. Which India state has the largest population of scheduled castes? Give the right answer. Right answer is Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? And who is the Chief Minister of UP? Give the right answer in comment box. And who is the Governor of UP? Now question number 7. Who is popularly known as Nightingale of India? I repeat it. Who is the popularly known as Nightingale of India? Give the right answer. Right answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is the right answer. Now question number 8. Which is longest national highway in India? Which is the longest national highway in India? Give the right answer. Right answer is NH 44. National highway number 44. Length is 3745 kilometer. Now question number 9. What is the name of world highest dam? I repeat it. What is the name of world highest dam? Give the right answer. Nurek Dam is the right answer. And height 285 meter, and situated in Tajikistan, and what is the capital of Tajikistan, and what is the currency of Tajikistan? Give the right answer in comment box. Now question number 10. Who wrote the Jungle Book? Who wrote the Jungle Book? Who wrote the Jungle Book? Give the right answer. Give the right answer. Rudyard Kipling is the right answer. Just you noted the homework question. Full form FCCB, FCCB, first, second, HTTP, HTTP. Now question number 3rd, scientific name of elephant. And question number 4, capital, currency and parliament and president and /PM name. First, Belgium, second, Argentina. First, Belgium, second, Argentina. Capital name, currency name, parliament name, president or PM name. Now question number last, homework question. A coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes an infection in. I repeat it. A coronavirus is a kind of common virus that causes an infection in. Give the right answer in comment box. Now just you see the video and give the right answer in comment box. Like, share and comment. Thank you students.